Alright guys, we're here with the Attop mini drone and we're going to do our little battery test on this thing because I didn't get to do that with the regular video, so we're going to do that today. I'll put that little clock in there. Okay, so we got the third rate going. Yay. Now there's a little bit of breeze kicking up. But we're just trying to check the battery life because I didn't check that on the other video I made. So we're just going to sit here and wind the battery out to see what, so you know what you're getting. You know, when you buy the thing, you want to know what the flight time's going to be. So it's actually pretty stable, even though I do have a little bit of breeze here. It is hovering. You know, it's hovering pretty stable, to be honest with you, for a toy quadcopter. I mean, look at it. It's not moving around that much. As soon as the wind kicks up, of course, it's going to start dancing because it's just now hitting me in the face, the wind. So a little gust came up, so now it's going to walk back toward me. But other than that, it is hanging pretty good. Up, up, up. It wouldn't turn. Would not turn. Wow. That really puts a damper on the flight time, right? That really puts a damper on the flight time. I did notice a little second when I was going out there to make the first turn to come back this way. There was this little bit of a lag to it, and I was like, wow. And then, you know, it just went straight into the thing there. Okay, so, you know, what the heck? We'll pick it back up. We'll do another level calibration on it. Now I'm going to have to get the trim because, of course, that... Okay. Yeah, when they get to where they don't turn, that could be a problem. Okay. But hey, it's pretty sturdy little sucker, right? I mean, it went head on into that fence pretty hard, actually. So it withstood it. And I didn't even turn it off. I just did level calibrated it. I didn't even restart nothing. So it's durable. You know, this is your classic little backyard flyer. You know, you can go out there and crash it into the garage and into the fences, and you know, you're not going to tear it up too much. I see that light on the back, that green light flashing on and off. Now, I don't know if that's a low battery deal or what, To be honest, I'm not sure. There is no Wi-Fi connected anywhere around here other than maybe that house over there. But there's no GoPro Wi-Fi. I mean, nothing's, the phones are off and they're, you know, all that stuff. So I don't know, maybe that's just normal operating procedure, because it is pretty stable, other than the fact that, you know, it wouldn't turn. But if you look at that controller right here, the thing is hovering nicely, you know, for a toy. We'll just let it go. I'm sure if the battery goes completely dead, it'll just land, you know. That's what they mostly always do. Now, you know, when you get these toy quadcopters like this, so let this be a lesson to you if you don't know this. Whenever the battery gets to be really low and it's getting ready to, you know, land or give you your low battery warning, the lower the battery goes, the worse the control on the sticks is. It'll start losing the bind, and you know, it has a possibility of doing that. Not all of them do it, but a lot of them do. You know, you'll sit there and you'll be flying them, and then you'll notice, oh, it's not steering right, you know, or there's the low battery warning. It's not steering right, or it's acting kind of goofy. That's because the battery's getting low, and the signal is just dropping out here and there. So, you know, you'll get them little issues with these toys. All right, guys, we're gonna bring it on in, because I think I'm gonna just send this one to the Magoo also. This is another Magoo. Okay, I'll send them both. I'll send them both to Magoo. He'll play around with them. Okay, all right, guys. There it is. The legend. The Attop mini drone. It flies great. Just, you know, just had that little hiccup in there. I wouldn't consider that to be a big deal. Nice little toy. All right, guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.